Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I'm going to show you how to install Eclipse on my system. So first thing is we need to check like what is the operating system and what is the system type of the computer that you're using, laptop or computer, anything. So I went to the search option over here and then I have typed in about my PC, and this is the page that opened for me. So inside this page, you can see that the system type is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so x64 based processor, and then the operating system is Windows 10. Okay, so now that we know that our system type is 64-bit and then operating system is Windows 10, to install Eclipse, we need to go to a browser. So herein I opened Microsoft Edge, and in Google I have typed Eclipse download. So this is the options that are available. So inside this eclipse.org, Eclipse downloads. So you have Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. So we need to click on this Eclipse IDE for EE developers, and this is the page that will open for you. Okay, so this is the page that will open for you, and Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, and then here tools for Java developers creating Java EE and web applications, including a Java IDE, tools for Java EE, and so on. Okay, so these are all the packages that are included in this particular option. Okay, so here in the download links, you can find Eclipse for Windows, Mac, and so on, Linux, and so on. So I want it for Windows, and then I want it for 64-bit. So you just need to click on this. Okay, so as soon as you click on this, it will start downloading for you. So I have already downloaded it. So let me show you that. Um, so this is my downloads folder. So inside this downloads, you can see that this is the zip file that has been downloaded for me. So now you need to extract it, right click on it and click on extract here. So as you click on this, the file will extract for you. Okay. So then what I did is I have cut that particular Eclipse JE Neon 3 extracted folder, and I have gone to the C drive, and inside C drive in program files, I have pasted that Eclipse folder here. Okay, so this is the folder. Okay, so I have pasted this over here in the C drive program files. As you double click on it, so you will be finding all these options, and here you can see type is application. Okay, so this is your Eclipse. You just need to double click on this to launch your Eclipse. So as I double click on it, so it is opening for me, and it's saying select a directory as workspace. What is workspace? All the projects that you do need to store in a particular location. So you just have to give a location where all these projects need to save. So I'm keeping it, so Windows itself is suggesting me a workspace. So I'm just keeping it as it is, or you can also browse your own location. You can put it in D drive or so on. Okay, so then I am clicking on OK. So as I click on OK, so you can see loading Eclipse. So Eclipse is loading for us. Okay, so you can see that it has loaded for us, and it is saying all these options are there for you. And then okay, so always this is the welcome page. Okay, so always the show welcome at startup. So if you don't want this, you can actually take it off. So I'm saying don't show me this page, and you can actually click on this close option here at the welcome. So I'm just clicking on close. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so you can if you want to, you can take off this outline. So I'm just clicking close for this outline. Okay, so when you close it, like you'll be getting something like this. Okay, so this is your workspace. Okay, right? Okay, friends, now I'll show you how to write a Java program and run it in Eclipse. So the first thing is I'm going on to the file option here in the menu bar and click on new and go to Java project. Okay, so Java project. So if you're not finding any Java project over here, you can go to others. So inside this others, you'll be finding Java project. So you can see Java project. Click on this Java project and click on next. Okay. So here it will be asking you the project name. So just give a project name. So I'm giving demo as the project name. And then here, before running the Java program, you need to install JDK. So I have installed JDK 8 on my system. So to check whether JDK is installed or not, go to the command prompt and click on and type Java hyphen version. So as I type Java hyphen version, you can see Java version 1.8 is installed on my system. So prior to executing your Java program, you need to install JDK. Okay, so use an execution environment JRE. So Java SE 1.8 is here. So you can choose whatever version you want, but since 1.8 is installed and I want to use 1.8, so I just clicked on Java SE 1.8. And after that, in the project layouts, we have two options here. Use the project folder as root and the other one is create separate folders. So we'll keep the create separate folders for sources and class files. And then we'll be clicking on finish. Okay. So as you have clicked on okay. So this kind of project is associated with the Java perspective. This perspective is designed to support, okay, that right. So we'll be just clicking on S over here. So once you click on finish, so this is how a project is created over here and the name of the project is demo. So as you click on here in the demo, you can see SRC. So this is the source file. So inside the source file, right click on this SRC and go to new. And so we want to create a new class, right? So here I'll be saying create new class. So here you have class. So I'm saying create new class. So I just want to, so this is how you create a new class. So give a package name. So I'm giving a package as com.demo package. So then the name of the class, so the name of the class is um, demo. Okay. And then I need to choose the class access modifier. So you can keep it public. Okay. And then here, which method stub would you like to create? So since I'm creating application, Java application, I need the main method. So I'm putting an option which is public static void main. And then I'm clicking on finish. Okay. So as I click on finish, so you can see that. So this is my package name, which is com.demo. And this is the class, which is public class demo. And I kept the public static void main method. So inside this, I'm going to type system.out.println and hello friends. Okay. So let me actually type it. So I'm saying system.out.println. And inside this, I'm going to say hello friends. Okay, so hello friends. Well, fine. So once I finished typing the content in my main method, so now I need to execute it. To execute it, keep the mouse in this particular page and right click on it. So if you right click on it, you'll be finding these options. So you have run as, and you can click on Java application, or else you also have a shortcut which is like this button. Okay, so which is run button. You can directly click on the run button. So as I have clicked on the run button, so you can see the output appeared at the bottom here, which is the console, and the output is hello friends. Okay, so this is how you install Eclipse. Before installing Eclipse, don't forget to install your JDK as well. And so this is how you create your first program in Eclipse. One very important thing that you need to understand about Eclipse Neon is that you can see these two buttons on the right top corner, right? So let me tell you what are those two buttons. Okay, so as I bring my mouse on top of them, you can see for this. Okay, so you can see that it is showing Java here, which is Java IDE. So you can switch it to Java EE over here. Okay, so now I am in, you can work with both the Java IDE as well as you can also work with your web applications. So to switch to your web applications, you can just click on Java EE. As I click on Java EE, now it has changed to Java EE environment. Okay, so you can navigate between your Java and also in your Java EE. So you can create web applications as well as you can also create or you can learn your Java in this particular Eclipse Neon. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.